configuring an SVI takes the following. So we've got our multi-layer switch. What are we going to think about? Which VLANs are going to require a gateway? Probably all of them. Create your VLANs on your switches. Maybe use VTP to advertise if you're using v3. Create your SVIs. Give it an IP address. Do a no shutdown if they need it. Turn on IP routing. And then dynamic routing. Because if we have our typical topology, such as this, and we've got all of the connectivity here that we would want, that's all well and good. But there's an outside world. There's the core. There are other switch blocks that we have connectivity to. And they don't know what subnets exist in our neck of the woods. They don't. Why? Well, because we're not advertising them. Dynamic routing protocols are what it's going to take to advertise them. So, EIGRP, let's say EIGRP is our interior gateway protocol. I'm going to use EIGRP to advertise the subnet to all of the other devices in the topology. They will relay that information to all of the other multi-layer switches. And you start to think, well, wait a minute, these are switches. They can't run dynamic routing protocols. Oh, yes, they can. They absolutely can and need to in order for this topology to work. We also want to tune by excluding ports that have sniffers plugged in. So if you've got a sniffer plugged into a VLAN capturing traffic, exclude it because we don't want that to maintain the up status of an interface that should be brought down. And that sets up the connectivity to and from the subnets that exist in the VLANs at the access layer of our switch blocks.